How to blur your background in Zoom meeting. So hi guys, the first thing that we're going to do is to simply open our Zoom application here in our desktop, and once open, sign in to your Zoom account. Now here in the upper right hand corner, you can actually see a settings icon. So click on it. Once you've clicked on the settings icon, a pop-out will show up, which is your settings. Now here, you can see backgrounds and effects. So click on that option. And below, you can actually see virtual backgrounds. So click on the blur effect. As you can see, I cannot add a blur effect since I am using an avatar here in Zoom. So you cannot use the blur effect if you do have an avatar added to your Zoom. So in the avatar section, let's click on none. After which, go to your virtual background again and click on blur. After that, your background will be blurred and this will be added onto your next Zoom meeting. And that's about it for today's video. Hope you find this video helpful and thank you so much for watching.